Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting OBS ready and a VST host ready to load the reverb. Open OBS, confirm your mic is active, and set monitoring device so you can hear changes. Once done, install a free Reverb VST and remember its folder path. That matters when you add it to the VST host. Make sure your VST host plugin is available in OBS filters. This is the essential first action. You need these pieces connected before adding the effect. Now add the VST filter to your microphone source in OBS. You choose VST2. X plugin, pick the Reverb DLL, then open the plugin UI to select a preset or tweak decay, pre-delay, and wet/dry mix. You do this because the UI controls shape the perceived space and clarity. Next, set OBS monitoring to monitor and output so you hear the processed signal live. Make small adjustments and listen. Reducing wet mix preserves and finish by balancing levels and testing. You should record a short clip and stream to confirm the reverb enhances without masking words. Aim for about 10 to 30% wet mix for talking, then adjust EQ or high pass to remove boominess. If you encounter echo or feedback, make sure monitoring is not routing the mic back into itself. Switch monitoring off or use headphones. If latency shows, lower buffer or try a lower latency plugin. These steps complete the setup and fix common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.